Sam here, and today bringing you a unique kind of design called Trifolium. It's one of those limited edition knives. Let's check it out together. Alright, we have the knife itself right here, black leather casing, outer casing, and we got a red interior. They call this knife Trifolium. Let's see why. Check out the design. Unique design. Swiss Army Victorinox logo right here. Smooth exterior, very nice finishing, high quality stuff. Alright, let's see the contents. We got a keychain, Swiss Army sharp knife, a nail file, screwdriver, pair of sharp scissors, Swiss Army, toothpick, pair of tweezers, and that's about it. Look at the design, show it to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's about it for the video, guys. Do subscribe for more Swiss Army videos, geeky videos, video games, and all those cool stuff. Leave a comment, it's optional if you want, and give me a thumbs up, that would be great. You guys take care.